Hi, Larissa here from Baselane's customer success team. Today, I'm excited to show you how to import transactions into Baselane through a CSV file. So let's get started. Once you've logged into Baselane, just head over to your transactions page and now simply click import. We're going to, of course, ask you if you'd like to import an external account through Plaid, but in this case, if you're transferring from a different accounting software, have a external account that is not applicable with Plaid, head over to that CSV import button here. And now you can either upload or drag a file, a CSV file, into Baselane. So that's what I'll be doing here. And of course, you can also tag a bank account to import a transaction. So any of these external accounts that I have connected, or simply say manually added. Now, once you hit continue, there's going to be a Baselane field, a CSV column, and the first row preview. So in this case, some notes that I've had in my previous in my import here. You do want to make sure that, the CSV column does kind of align with our Baselane fields. We don't want to have any blank fields, contains a single row header, matches Baselane's required columns, so date, description, and amount, and includes only valid entries such as numerical values in the amount column and plain text without special characters in the description column. So this is what my CSV categories are. The great thing about Baselane is we do have our own categorization. So if you'd like, you can search through our categories. We also have subcategories. So if you want to be very specific on transactions, you can go in and kind of choose which one this transaction matches to the CSV file. And once this all looks good, you simply go down and click continue, and you would map there might be an option to map unrecognized properties if you'd like. So just double checking your work here, click continue, and then just review your import. So we have 46 mapped categories, 3 mapped properties, things like that. Import transactions, and you're all set. I hope that helps. It's a simple process. If you have any questions, just reach out to support@baselane.com. Thanks again. Have a great day.